You feel guilty for wanting to be alone. They call you antisocial, weird, arrogant. But Marcus Aurelius, who ruled 70 million people, who could have had any party, any crowd, any woman, he chose to be alone every morning for 1 hour. And he wrote that this 1 hour made him unbreakable. He wrote, "Nowhere can man find a quieter or more untroubled retreat than in his own soul." What if being alone is not your weakness? What if it is your superpower that you have been trained to be ashamed of? Today, 3 reasons why Marcus believed solitude makes you dangerous. We are addicted to noise. Why? Because silence forces us to meet ourselves. Seneca said, "If you really want to escape the things that harass you, what you're needing is not to be in a different place, but to be a different person." When you are always with people, you become who they want you to be. You laugh at jokes you don't find funny. You agree with opinions you hate. You wear a mask. Marcus called this living as a stranger in your own soul. Every hour in the crowd, you lose a piece of yourself. The experiment. Be alone for 1 hour. No phone, no music, just you. Your brain will panic. It will scream. Check your phone. Text someone. You are missing out. That panic is not you. That is your addiction to being validated. If you can sit with that panic for 1 hour, you just took your power back. Here is the truth no one tells you. 90% of your emotions are not yours. They are borrowed. You feel anxious because your friend is anxious. You feel angry because Twitter is angry. You feel insecure because Instagram told you to. Epictetus taught, "No man is free who is not master of himself." How can you master yourself when you are never with yourself? Marcus had a morning ritual. Before meeting anyone, he sat alone and did what he called the inner citadel exercise. He closed his eyes and watched his emotions like clouds. Anger cloud, fear cloud, desire cloud. He did not fight them. He said, "You are not me. You are just visitors." In solitude, fake emotions die because there is no audience to feed them. Real emotions remain. That anxiety about what people think. Watch. When you are alone on a mountain with no signal, does it exist? No, it was never real. It was borrowed from the crowd. Being alone is emotional detox. This is the superpower. When you are comfortable alone, no one can control you. They control you with fear of being alone. If you don't do what I want, I will leave you. If you don't agree, we will reject you. But if you love being alone, that threat means nothing. Marcus wrote, "If you seek tranquility, do less, or more precisely, do what is essential." A man who loves solitude cannot be bribed with parties, with likes, with fake friendships. He is unbuyable. Think about it. The most powerful people you know, are they always in the crowd? Or are they selectively alone? Seneca. True happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future. Dependence is slavery. When you need people to feel okay, you are their slave. When you are okay alone, you enter relationships because you want to, not because you need to. That changes everything. You love without clinging. You help without needing thanks. Solitude taught Marcus that. So tomorrow, don't wake up and reach for the world. Wake up and reach for yourself. 1 hour before sunrise. No phone, no one. Sit. Write. Do the hard thing. Breathe. Meet the man you have been avoiding, yourself. Marcus did this for 19 years while ruling the world at war. You can do it for 1 hour while your world is at peace. Ryan Holiday, modern scholar of Stoicism, wrote, "Solitude is the furnace of transformation. In solitude, you become someone the crowd cannot break." Tonight, comment, "I choose alone," not because you hate people, but because you finally choose to meet yourself. Next episode, 11. Marcus Aurelius woke up every day and remembered he would die. Follow Stoic with Aurelius. We don't fear being alone. We weaponize it.